and that is the human race. This is my dream to come true. Thank you.
Galveston, a small island off the coast of Texas. A place where locals enjoy fishing, marine life, and water activities for tourism. Here, people grow up surrounded by tides, storms, and the quiet strength of community. Each year, the island's African-American community celebrates Martin Luther King Jr. in the calm rhythm of island life. But for Leon, that calm wasn't always guaranteed.
Hurricane Ike, September 13, 2008. Hurricane Ike flooded 75% of Galveston Island. During Ike, a little bit after the main part of the storm had hit and was on the news, I called my neighbor that lives behind me because he had said he wasn't going anywhere. So I called Lionel and I said, well, Lionel, look out your back door, man. Tell me what's going on. So he went to his back door and he looked out and he said, the hood of your truck is underwater. I said, what? My wife and I came back and in my living room, everything was real slick, as if it was oil on the floor. And I looked back for her and she wasn't there. So I went back around and looked outside and she was sitting on the steps. I said, well, come on, Leilon. I said, we need to at least start getting some of this stuff out of here, start cleaning up some of this stuff. And all she said was, Leon, I can't do this. And I said, well, we got to do something. She said, Leon, I can't do this.
In Galveston, we have a lot of people who are emotionally...
Faith and community showed just how much can be achieved when people come together.
And we have to do something to help.
Galveston, it is wonderful. It's crazy at times, but it's just wonderful. During Hurricane Ike, we all came together. We had to go to food trucks, the hospitals were closed, and everything was just shut down. But during that time, the community, we all came together to support one another, to just lift each other up during that time.
Just a little idea of Hurricane Ike and how it didn't make any difference who you were. The devastation of it was that we're all equal when it comes to the good Lord's work. You know, it doesn't matter to him whether you're rich or poor.
Hear my prayer, oh Lord, hear my prayer.